Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 Update stuck at 30% forever. First, disconnect all external devices from your computer. Remove USB drives, external hard drives, printers, and controllers. Sometimes these devices can interrupt the update process. If your update has been stuck for a long time, you can force restart your PC. Press and hold the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds until it shuts down. Then turn it back on and let Windows try the update again. Next, open Settings and go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. This will scan your system and try to fix common update problems automatically. After that, open Windows Search and type Services, then open the Services app. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on it and choose Stop. Now open File Explorer and go to the C drive, then Windows, then Software Distribution, and open the Download folder. Delete everything inside this folder. This will remove broken update files. Go back to the Services app and start the Windows Update service again. If the update is still stuck, you can install it manually. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Update catalog. Search for the KB number of the update that is stuck. Download the version for your system, usually x64, and install it. This should fix the issue and allow the update to complete properly. Thanks for watching.